Control. Take off. Right there. Fuel shut-off valves, good. 1500. That's good. Radio's good. Good to go.
All right. Remember everything from flying over to Bangor?
You'll have to help me out on that. It's been a while.
All right. You comfortable on the radio talking to them?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the important part. Okay. All right. If you're ready, I'm ready.
Old Town traffic, November 10808. Rolling 30. Control. Take off. Right there. Fuel shut-off valves, good. 1500. That's good. Radio's good. Good to go.
All right. Remember everything from flying over to Bangor?
You'll have to help me out on that. It's been a while.
All right. You comfortable on the radio talking to them?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the important part. Okay. All right. If you're ready, I'm ready.
Old Town traffic, November 10808. Rolling 30.
Bangor Approach Control frequency 118.902. Advise for initial contact. You have information, Mike. Bangor Tower information, Mike 1453 Zulu. Wind 230 at 4. Visibility 10. Sky conditions, view 3,500. Ceiling 14,000 broken. 25,000. 1000 broken. Temperature 2.14. Altimeter 3023.
Could be using 15. Such a long runway.
Oh yeah.
One of our Delta planes is over there.
Nice job. Look at that.
Good to go?
Sure. Flaps up. Power in. RP cold. Smell the tires from the other guy.
Oh yeah, you can smell those US Airways tires.
Yeah.
Got some people playing golf down here.
Are you into golf?
Nah, I can't stand it.
I played once. Long time ago.
Yeah, I played once and that was all I needed. Too slow pace for me.
Yeah.
Red over white, you're all right.
Or red, you're dead.
Yeah. Bangor Tower A08, left base for 33.
808, roger, continue.
Alright, go ahead and turn. So this is some wake turbulence that we want to watch out for. It's in a clean configuration, high lift. However, we'll be down on the ground well before his wings are generating lift and starting a wake. He's, he took off halfway down the runway.
808, wind is 230 at 5 runway, 33 clip the option.
Clear for the option, A08.
Clear 7080, Papa, contact departure 118.902, you have a good flight.
Departure 118.902, thank you very much, November 0.
Sounded Indian, or something. I really like flying in and out of Bangor.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's fun. That's the kind of landing I wanted.
3-pointer?
Yeah.
Oh, the other ones are good too. I would have liked it if you're...
Bangor Tower A08, this is going to be our last touch and go. We're going to return to Old Town.
Roger that. 86 Alpha, you're going to be number 2 to follow the citations. Currently approaching the approach end of the runway 33 at this time. If you could keep it on your present heading and square off to final for me about a mile and a half out.
That's us.
6 Alpha, we're looking for them, and they'll understand we're number 2.
They're number 2.
You're going to be number 1 inside of a citation 210. Currently about 4.5 miles east of the airport, squaring it off, taking it out to about a mile and a half final.
And that was for 808. You want us to go in front of the citation?
That is affirmative.
Roger that. Cleared for the option runway tree.
86 Alpha is a Centurion.
Correction, sorry about that.
Okay, that's a lot slower than a citation. All right, you can go ahead, and we're pretty low, so you might as well see if you can sneak her in there.
808 winds, 240, correction winds, calm runway 33, clear for the option.
There you go.
Roger, clear for the option 808.
86 Alpha doesn't have the traffic. We're about to turn final.
I understand you do have the traffic in sight. Wind at 250, correction wind is calm runway 33, clear to land.
Was that for 86 Alpha?
86 Alpha, that is affirmative.
Good guy.
To land, 86 Alpha.
Yeah, I'm surprised he actually just didn't let him go in front of us.
And then just have us hold out a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's all right. I bet it'll say caution wake turbulence after we take off too. Maybe not. There you go. Flaps up.
Just a report Old Town in sight.
Roger, right turn to Old Town, and we'll remain with you. 808.
Nice job, Dale, like a professional. Very good.
Turn 86 Alpha, you can continue.
Keep pulling that nose up. Keep pulling it up. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. There you go. Perfect. Close you down a little bit
area,
more.
traffic 51 kilo, turn left downwind 30, have traffic on the active in sight.